Right now, we're seeing a notable drop in sentiment in the education sector, sitting at -0.07, while momentum is on the rise at +0.34 over the past 24 hours. This divergence is unusual. Typically, we'd expect positive momentum to correlate with improved sentiment. This could indicate a brewing discussion, or a reaction to recent educational policy changes that's not yet fully reflected in public sentiment. Our API returns a comprehensive snapshot of sentiment, including insights from 19 semantic clusters, helping you understand the nuances behind the numbers. Imagine applying this data to fine-tune an education platform's content strategy based on real-time sentiment shifts, ensuring you remain relevant to your audience's evolving concerns. For more details, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's turn sentiment insights into actionable strategies.